Hey, wait, why hasn't it cut off yet? This spark plug is already over 4.2 volts. Is BMS even working properly? I have some questions. If the voltage goes too high, it could damage the cells. Come on, let's take a closer look. Will this BMS cut the charge? And exactly where does it stop? I would like to introduce you. This is my 12-volt battery pack, pretty common stuff. And I've added a BMS to handle charging, discharging, and protection. Let's take a quick look at the voltage across each round. I'm going to hook it up to my power supply and keep charging it to see if the BMS actually cuts off. Hey, look at this. It's still charging. I can see the voltage is already past 4.2 volts. That's not good. If the BMS works, it should stop now. Still no cutoff. Why is it stop nothing? Why is it not stopping? And oh, look at this. At the voltage of 4.29, so the current is 0. There it is. The BMS finally stopped the charge. So yes, it did cut off. But look at this. We need to check the voltage of its ground. That group is already higher than the others. That's not good. So the BMS protected the battery, but not early enough. Most BMS cut off at a fixed voltage, and sometimes that threshold is already too high. So yes, this BMS stopped overcharged, but timing matters because it's too late. So the voltage of battery is over 4.2 and sometimes it's too and this case the voltage is over 4.25, 4.29 exactly. So if you want to see what actually works, stick around. See you. Have a nice day.